Okay, let's see if he'll crow. Where is he? He'll crow in a second. There he is. Let's get one more crow. He's calling for me. Okay. Hey, pretty. He's all by himself. I don't know what to do with him. You see that duck over there on the opposite side of the fence? He's on one side, and that one's on the other side. There's two of them over there now. Come on. Sometimes I just go down there and throw it to them. So let's do that. I don't mean to scare you. I keep water out here because sometimes they don't like coming. Here you are. You see that little booger? Look at that little booger. Hello, you. Hello, you. There you go. Come on. Let's see if we can get over here. There we go. Hello, pretties. He's beautiful. I don't know if you can see the green blue on his tail. It looks black, but it's a blue-green, but it has to turn a certain way. And he does that sometimes. He'll get behind the daggum little tree bush thing. He likes to sometimes get on top of the little... Yep, there he goes. He likes to get on top of it. Where the shelter is. He's right on top of it. Little booger. You're the one that's been doing that. You watching me? Are you watching me? Y'all so silly. Okay.